Hey, what this video is going to be about is I'm going to do 3 meet and greets. The first one will be at the Sema show, which is at the Las Vegas Convention Center. I'll be at the Redline detection booth on Thursday, November 7th from 1 to 3 p.m. Their booth number is 42337. It's at the very beginning of the South Hall lower level. The second one will be at FabTech, which is at McCormick Place in Chicago. I'll be at the JD Squared booth on Tuesday, November 12th from 10 a.m. to noon, and their booth number is A5719. The third one will be at the PRI trade show. It's at the Indiana Convention Center, which is in Indianapolis. I'll be at the JD Squared booth from 10 a.m. to noon. Their booth number is 5649. And at each one of these trade shows, I'm going to be there the whole entire time. And at the end of this video, I'll post the promotional pictures. And I'll also post the promotional pictures to YouTube, like just before I'm at each one of these events. Yeah, both of these companies make excellent products. Redline Detection makes smoke machines. They also make a new high-pressure smoke machine, and they make one with a built-in air compressor. JD Squared makes tube benders and CNC plasma cutter tables. This is their Model 32 bender. It's the electric hydraulic version of it. Yeah, and here's one of their tube notchers also.